In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your target layout page section canvas using Chrome and insert an SVG into a Squarespace code block. To begin, open Chrome and navigate to the specific page section you want to work on inside your layout. Make sure you're editing the correct area before making any changes because this helps avoid placing your content in the wrong section and saves time later. Once you're in the right location, focus on the section canvas where you want the graphic to appear. Next, insert a standard code block element into that section. This is the container that will hold your SVG markup. In Squarespace, the code block acts as a place where you can paste raw code directly, which is exactly what you need for SVG content. When you add the block, give yourself a moment to confirm that it's positioned where you want the vector graphic to display on the page. After that, open your source SVG vector file code in a separate text editor window or tab. Keeping it open separately makes the process much easier because you can clearly view the entire code without switching back and forth too much. In the editor, locate the full SVG markup. You want everything included, starting from the opening SVG tag and continuing all the way down to the closing SVG tag. This is important because SVG files rely on complete markup to render correctly. If any part is missing, the graphic may not display as expected. Now copy the entire raw SVG code exactly as it appears. Be careful not to leave out any characters at the beginning or end, and avoid copying extra text that isn't part of the SVG itself. Accuracy matters here, since even a small formatting issue can affect the final result. Then return to your Squarespace code block and paste that markup directly into the code field. Once it's in place, take a quick look over the pasted content to make sure it transferred cleanly into the workspace box. This is a good moment to catch any accidental omissions or unwanted spacing before you finalize the update. And finally, click Save to apply the changes. After saving, your SVG should now be embedded inside that section through the code block. If needed, you can preview the page to confirm the vector appears correctly and fits the layout the way you intended. And that's it. You've successfully added your SVG markup to a Squarespace section using Chrome.